Looking to upgrade your sound system? In this video, we review the top 3 best speaker cables of 2025 that deliver exceptional audio performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a home theater enthusiast or an audiophile, these cables are worth checking out. We'll break down the specs, pros, and real-world performance to help you make the right choice. Don't miss this honest and up-to-date review. Number 3. The Amazon Basics 16-gauge speaker wire is an excellent, budget-friendly solution for both home audio setups and custom installations. With 100 feet of cable neatly wrapped around a hard plastic spool, it's incredibly convenient to dispense and easy to work with. Whether you're wiring an entertainment system or running cable through walls, this spool gives you enough length to handle most tasks comfortably. The plastic jacket provides a clean, durable outer layer, while maintaining flexibility for routing through tight spaces. A black polarity stripe on one side makes it easy to identify positive or negative terminals during setup, ensuring clear, undistorted audio signals. Sound quality is solid, and users have reported no degradation even after extended use, perfect for stereo or home theater connections. One thing to note: spring clip terminals may require minor adjustments due to the wire's thickness, but for banana plugs or screw-type terminals, it's an ideal fit. Several users have mentioned that even after years of installation, the copper remains untarnished and the insulation shows no wear or cracking. Overall, this wire delivers great value and performance, especially at its price point. Whether you're a DIY audio hobbyist or setting up a basic surround system, this Amazon Basics cable won't disappoint. Number 2. The InstallLink 16 AWG speaker wire is an impressive choice for budget-conscious audio enthusiasts looking for reliable performance without compromising quality. At 100 feet, this wire offers plenty of length for most home theater or car audio projects. The frosted red color scheme is not just sleek, but also extremely helpful for quick polarity identification, simplifying installation. Constructed from copper-clad aluminum CCA, the wire strikes a solid balance between cost-effectiveness and signal conductivity. While it may not be pure copper, it still delivers clear, undistorted audio for everyday listening and moderate high-power use. One user tested the cable at high volumes for over 2 hours with no performance issues, a great testament to its durability. The soft flex jacket is another standout feature. It's durable yet flexible, making it easy to route through tight spaces or around corners. Stripping the wire is also hassle-free, and it fits nicely into most spring clips, banana plugs, or screw terminals. Ideal for DIY setups, home theaters, or car audio systems, this speaker wire is a great entry-level option that doesn't feel cheap. Whether you're a hobbyist or a casual user, the InstallLink CCA speaker wire delivers dependable sound and ease of use at a very affordable price. Number 1. The InstallLink 14-gauge speaker wire delivers a perfect blend of performance, flexibility, and affordability, making it an excellent option for home, car, or RV audio setups. At 100 feet, it offers ample length for most installations, whether you're wiring surround sound in a living room or upgrading your vehicle's audio system. Constructed from copper-clad aluminum CCA, this wire features an aluminum core with a copper coating, an effective combination that keeps costs low while still offering solid conductivity with minimal signal loss. It may not match the conductivity of pure copper, but for the price and use cases, it's a strong performer. Users consistently praise the soft flex jacket, which provides a durable, smooth, and silky texture that's easy to work with. The color-coded red/black casing ensures easy polarity identification, which is a big plus during installation. The insulation is simple to strip, and the wire is super flexible, making it ideal for tight bends or compact spaces. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned installer, this 14 AWG wire strikes the right balance between quality and value. With easy handling, clean audio performance, and a smart design, this speaker wire is a dependable choice you'll be glad to have in your toolkit.